got a match in your car, you feel me? We're gonna charge you an extra fee because we have to clean all the shit out of your car. I'm talking about like if you got your bags in here, if you got all this stuff like that. Yeah, fuck that, bro. So we're gonna charge an extra $50 fee if you don't want to clear your car. But you know, first step if somebody doesn't clear the car is clear the fucking car. So you know what I'm saying? We're gonna clear the car and I'll show you what it looks like when it's actually clear. Hold on. Okay. Hold on, wait. Well, as you can see, we cleared out the customer's car. That man has the dirtiest car we ever seen. Wow. Look at this shit. I mean, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? And this is after we cleared the car out. Hold on. Shit is ridiculous. Sheesh. Dirty, bro. This is dirty, Shane. This, oh my goodness. The back seat, dirty, looking dingy, looking crazy. This boy crazy. Well, we're gonna do the same shit in this car as we usually do. Whip equipped here, and you already know we're gonna save this customer's life. Make sure to have this much head frame. Feel me? Like bring it up high, like bring the camera up higher. Yeah. I need to be like right at my eye level. Yeah, what's good? It's your boy McCluster. Whip equipped is here. We're giving a detail. Have no fear because it's gonna be the best detail this customer's ever had. He really needed it. The car was absolutely terrible, but you know what? We're here to save lives. We're here to save cars. We can save your car and save you some money. If you just give us a call, we'll pull up to you, give you a great detailing service. It's not gonna be that hard. It's not gonna be that crazy. It's quite easy, you know. Listen, we got the best prices and the best quality for the price that you could possibly get in the entire state. So I suggest that you get your mind straight and call my line, gang, because we got the best service and everything's quality. Now we're gonna get this car and do it all with ease. All right. The customer said they spilled some oil inside of their back trunk. So we're gonna check that out. I shook it out and now I'm gonna use the machine to extract the oil. This customer's a tough one. Come closer, let me show you. Look at all this stuff in here, man. This is the side that was just cleaned by a regular vacuum. So now we're gonna clean it with the steam vacuum because this shit is still looking crazy. All right, so we got the thing back in there, check it out. Great quality clean. Got the trunk done. Let's show on the inside this way. Way different than before, my goodness. My lord. Show them the other side, come on. Crazy difference. Look at the back. Absolute. Great quality clean. Look at the seats. They didn't need an exterior clean, which is great. So all we did was, this customer had a really bad car. Looked like that guy was living in his car at one point. Save his soul. Now, brother, if you're sleeping in your car, at least it'll be nice and clean. Have a great day. Whip Equip, Matthew McCluster, Seth Seal, my bro, Joseph, Broadbent. We out here, bro. Let's go. This was one of the seats, just one of the front seats. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is a great, let me just do a review on the Bissell brush. You know, that Bissell brush cleared out a lot of filth from the car.
I'm gonna clean that out.
Thank you, bro. Now, I appreciate the Bissell brush because it's easy to clean. It's a great steamer that gets away all the dirt that's hard to remove from a dry vacuum, because it puts water on the dirt and then it sucks it up through the vacuum and makes it much easier to get. So I would rate that product I would say a good 8 out of 10 because it's portable. It's very reliable. The only issue I have is just obviously it's like, excuse me, obviously it's it could have a little more suction power, and I wish I had a different variety of which heads I could use on the brush to get into different between spaces, because I'm using it for car detailing. I think it was usually used for pet cleanup. So I guess because they didn't specify it's for car detailing, I'm gonna give it a good 8 out of 10. I would have given it, otherwise, if it was for car detailing, I would have given it a good 7 out of 10. But shout out to Bissell. Shout out to the what is it called? Let's see what it is called. This is called, what the heck? There's no name on it. Well, shout out to Bissell for not giving a damn about their own advertising. Oh, the Little Green Hydro Steam Machine. Shout out to Bissell's Little Green. Yep, Little Green Hydro Steam. It's pretty good. Pretty good. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for car cleaning. I think probably, you know, if I'm being honest, 8 out of 10 for car cleaning. For regular stuff around the house, it's definitely like a 9. It's a 9.5 for regular stuff around the house. But for car cleaning, 8.